Hey there, I got a flat tire on my emove cruiser again, so my rear tire, I just set up on this block here with the cable down in the hole here. Just made a little wooden stand. I got the tire on so far just on the one side. Now I'm gonna go and put some zip ties going around it, and we'll see how good this works this time doing this. Alrighty, I just got some 14-inch zip ties. I'll probably get about probably about 6 of these on, about an inch or so apart, and I'm just trying to again compress the tire with my fingers. Oh yeah, somebody had mentioned, like if you don't have finger strength, I have a little bit of a clamp here. So let's see here, get you the right size, and just sort of go like that and tighten you down. So if you don't have a lot of finger strength for compressing your tire with your fingers, you can just use this clamp, and then you just can squeeze it some and tighten up the zip ties, and I'll squeeze it a little more. You just sort of basically do that. I'll take it off here. So that's all it, if you don't have a lot of finger strength, you can do that going around. So that's all I'm doing is putting these here zip ties down here, I think, until I get about half the tire covered. All right, here's another one. Like I said, you gotta squeeze the heck out of this here tire and pull on that zip tie, and it will keep the tire compressed that way. Yeah, I definitely can get a tighter zip tie on the tire here if I just use my fingers over compared to the clamp. I guess I could do the clamp, but definitely it'll take a lot longer time. Let's see here. Like I said, you just want to compress and pull until you get this guy squeezed real tight. Ooh, try this way over here. There we go. Squeeze that on you. Just getting that guy squeezed up here. Now I'm using, I think I mentioned it already on our ones, but I'm using 14-inch length zip ties, and they're rated for about 50 pounds. And they're like skinny, not heavy, like the heavy duty ones. So that way they're a little more flexible. Woo! I don't know if I can get any more in there. I'll grab one more, but I don't know if I can even get one more in. I'll try and work it around here a little bit, because the more you get in and the tighter you get around the tire, the better the end result is going to be when you go to clamp it. And oof, hey, what do you know, I got one more in. Yeah, right there. Awesome. I'm so happy I got one more in. Uh-oh. Squeeze-a-rooney. Squeeze you. There we go. Okay. On I just grabbed a little just soap and water and put it in a cup. And I'm just putting some of that around this here rim, because it just makes things slipperier for putting it on. All right. Dry my slippery little fingers off. So if you can see the tire a little better, I'll try and get it in there. So that's basically how it is. I got about half the tire zip tied, and now I'm just gonna put the spoons in up here and try and tuck the tire in. So we'll see how that goes. Camera right there. Whew. Here it goes. Usually do one on each side here. I think I'm gonna just sort of dip a little soapy water on each of these here spoons. Like I said, get a little slipperiness going, and it helps that new rubber to slide a little easier. Here goes, guys. Okay, keep the... Oop. You have to get in here just a little bit. Gotta keep that tire down in there. There we go. And there we go. There we go. Just sort of inching it around here. Woo! Alright, I got basically about half the tire on. Guys, move it up this way a little. Oof. About half of it on. Ooh, jeez. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to get this in there a little bit. Oh yeah, it's going. Oop. Whoop, whoop. Let's see. Yeah. Sort of go like this and this. And hold it down here. Wow. Yeah, it's easier if you're on the floor. I'm trying to figure out a way to get my arm in here. I got one here. Yeah, every time I get my arm in here, it's sliding. Woo. There we go. I'm like, I just need something to hold you. And something to do this one with. Woohoo! She's going slowly. Oh yeah. Bam! Got it. Woohoo! All right. Zip cutter. And woo! That definitely is a little harder when you're doing everything all by yourself. If you had someone to sort of hold things a little, that'd definitely work better. I'm just sort of cutting these zip ties, trying to be careful not to cut the tires I'm going around here. I sort of find one of the little grooves in the tire and use that as my spot for cutting the zip tie. There. Got them all cut. Grab a plier. These guys are in there tight. Ah, there we go. Pull these guys out. Whew. Yeah, it's been a year since I had to replace the rear tire. The last time I got flat, and I tell you what, it was immensely easier this time because I had figured out that zip tie method compared to last time. So, whoop. Now one zip tie left, and that is it. Oh, yeah. Oh, all right. Tire is on. Everything's accomplished. There's my tire on the rim. All right. Good luck with everybody else changing your tires.